Hey, it's Bill. Had a little slack today, so I thought I'd tinker around with my trees a little bit. Wanted to show you guys how to clean up a juniper. Now this one here, got quite a bit of foliage on it up here at the top. Got a little sunburn, and where I'd dug it up last season, there was a few little brown spots, so I'm not going to do any grooming up here. Don't really think it needs it. I wired the limbs on it a little bit, just to give it a couple cascades. Now I need to do some more, a little bit more pruning, but I'm going to let this guy recover another season yet. Now what I am going to do, and to some people it may be ready to go ahead and be set out and looked at, but I think we can make it a little more appealing, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. We're going to clean up some of the bark on here, and maybe do some dead wood and some burning. I've not decided if I'm going to try to save this small limb here yet, but let me go ahead and show you the process here. Okay, now you can see what it's done. It got dark on me out here and I had to turn the light on, so I hope you guys can see it. I'll try to move this camera in here. Right there. Now you can see how it give it a nice red finish, and I did go ahead and leave that limb. I took some of the other limbs off, and so now it's got that nice red finish. It's a little more pleasing to look at, and like I said, I don't believe I'm gonna pull any of this foliage off. I'm just gonna, and I'm not even gonna repot it right now. I'm still gonna let it recover a little bit. Doing that little bit of bark removal didn't hurt a thing. It just made it look a little bit better, and like I said, just made it a little more pleasing to look at. So, if this kind of thing interests you, it does me, and I'm tinkering around with it a little bit, rescuing some trees off some trails and whatnot. When people break them, and I bring them home. So, anyway, that's my juniper restoration, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think.